We live in a time and season na talagang you only live once. The pressure is so high because of the things that we see on social media. But we have to be smarter than that. For me, important to be liquid. Okay lang yun na gumastos ka to do things for yourself, pero always save for the rainy day.
My mom is very frugal in a lot of ways. My dad is the exact opposite. Yun ang talagang habang may pera, love you dad, RIP. Pero yung habang may pera, igagastos niya yan. Either ipapamigay niya, ipanglilibre niya. Siya yung classic na, ako na to. Ako bala guys, libre ko kayo. Yung ganyan. So half of me is that. Half of me is my mom.
I also highly recommend that while you're still young and without a family to support, that it's the best time to already start investing, even if it's small.
Yes,
Because the moment you have a family, the moment you have children and a husband, you're paying for all that. You're paying for a home, you know, you're paying for rent.
Kami ang inyong mga...
Hey girl! Kasi ako hindi alam kung paano magsisimula.
Oo,
Paano
totoo.
ba sinisimulan yung mga ganitong bagay?
So pag ganito, nag-iisipin natin kanina, ano ba yung ating magiging topic for today?
Yes.
Tapos yung mga outfit natin, may mga green lahat. So napag-usapan
Oo.
natin, greenback dollars, pera.
Oh, pera.
Why not?
Correct.
Pero gusto ko lang banggitin na ang gaganda ng mga suot ninyo.
Ay,
Extra
bakit
ganda
kaya,
kayo.
Mars?
Gusto kong banggitin din kasi napilitan ako na wag plain t-shirt dahil nga ang ganda kasi ni Sus,
Diba?
diba?
Yung suot ko nung una nag-taping tayo. Tapos noon,
Nagmukha akong underdress.
Underdress
Dahil
talaga
dyan.
kami ni Mars E.
sobrang casual. So, minessage naman ako nung dating boss ko sa full-time moms na naging boss mo din dati
Si
sa...
Miss May!
Si Miss May, si Ate May. Sabi na, nag-PM siya kasi sa group ako nagme-message sa kanila. Siyempre, pinapadala ko yung link ng vodcast natin. Nag-PM siya, sabi niya, Suzy, yung outfit mo, parang i-dress down mo ng konti kasi vodcast naman yan. So pagdating ko, sige mag-shorts ako, medyo casual lang, ganyan. Pagdating ko, oh my God, ang ganda ng suot ninyo.
So eto na nga, dahil sobrang ganda niya nung first episode, nag-effort kami ni Mars.
Nag-effort man lang ako na hindi ako mag-t-shirt.
Oo,
So nagsanda naman ako.
Na-crop, mas dressy.
Mars.
Mas dressy.
Oo, correct.
Uy, parang maraming may gusto mo ng t-shirt mo, ah. Sabi na,
Yung t-shirt, lahat ng kulay, kompleto yan.
Oo.
Ready ako.
I-establish na nga daw niya yung look niya, Mars. Eh.
Pwede.
Kasi
As the girl
nararamdaman
in
niya.
the big shirt.
Oo, na magsa-struggle tayo sa outfit eventually. Mars, yung closet ko nanginginig na.
Hindi ko
Totoo
kaya
ba?
paninig.
Natatakot na siya.
Mars, pangatlong pa lang natin.
Ayun na nga ang problema.
Taping day pa
Like, I
lang.
realized there are colors there that I don't have.
Yes, that's true. Sa amin naman, dahil doon sa morning show, sa unang hirit, lagi kami may color of the day. So, hindi talaga ako magtatanggal ng... Kasi, pag naalala nyo yung nauso dati yung sa closet, yung Marie Kondo,
Yes,
keeping
yes.
only the ones you like.
Uh-huh.
When I started doing that, ang may iwan lang sa akin, puti at saka blue. Tsaka beige. Pero I had to keep all the colors
Of
because
course.
meron kaming color requirements on the show. Pero meron pala kayong mga bet na colors talaga na mas attracted talaga kayo.
Actually, Mars, kailangan mo lang din i-keep kasi minsan yun yung requirement.
Totoo.
So, yun lang din.
So, ang bagong topic namin today ay...
Outfit na pala. How to style.
How to style yourself during a podcast. Hindi, balik natin to sa pera.
Ang gulo nito mga to.
Hindi, may connection naman yun kasi nga, you're trying to declutter, you're trying to
That's
make
true.
wiser clothing decisions kasi nga
Correct.
gawa nga ng pera.
Oo, at saka wala ka ng space, di ba?
Totoo
Bumili ka ng
yan.
bago or nag-acquire ka ng, or hindi na siya
Totoo.
uso, hindi mo na siya bet, dinedeclutter mo siya. So part din yan sa malaking expenses na ginagawa ng mga tao paminsan to keep up with trends.
That's
Tapos
true.
katapos-tapusan, you're stuck with so many things, you don't know how to... Nakinabang ako sa pag-declutter nito ng mga sportswear.
Correct.
Doon tayo sa ibang topic na yung guilty pleasures.
Sige, tama.
For the
Talaga yan.
That's gonna be another
I love it, I
episode.
love
But
it.
yeah, in terms of like money matters. But you know the thing with money, the way it matters changes as you get older, di ba?
Absolutely true.
Oh, and
Absolutely
where
true.
we are now, I'm sure is very far from what it used to be for us
That's
as
true,
kids. Like
Mars.
before, wala akong alam, wala din akong pake.
Totoo.
Oo, pero salamat sa Diyos, my mom was really good with money.
In terms of like investing.
In investing, taking care of my money,
Saving.
saving. Because for someone that didn't know and didn't care, everything that I've worked for, I probably wouldn't be able to feel because I wouldn't have known anyway. So thank God I had a mom who came from syempre,
Humble
very
beginnings.
humble beginnings.
Yeah.
And so obviously she didn't want me to go through what she had gone through. And so she was really careful about my money, investing in things that I never have even thought of doing.
Ito, iba-iba yung structure namin, syempre.
Yeah.
Yes.
Iba din yung sa inyo, di ba? Yung paano kayo nag-iipon,
Yes.
yung pagkita nyo ng pera, saan nyo siya nilalagay, saan nyo
Yes.
siya ini-invest. Iba-iba.
Yung
especially
upbringing,
yung
syempre, kung saan
upbringing.
galing
Yes.
ng pamilya,
Of course.
kung anong meron kayo.
And then these two also started working young.
Isa pa
Especially you,
yun.
Mars.
Yes. Correct.
So ibang-iba siya. So in terms of what Iya said of how that changes, how we view money, how we save money, how we invest money, changes through the years as we get older. Lalo na yung sa'yo. Kasi simula, parang pa-toddler ka pa lang nun.
Grabe ka naman, Mars.
Ano, 5 years old ka ba nag-start?
I joined Little Miss Philippines, I was 5. Pero yung talagang nag-showbiz na Mars, 7.
Seven, ano, bata,
Oo.
ibang-iba.
And when you started making money, Mars, like, did you know you had money?
Alam ko, Mars, na sumisweldo ako, syempre.
Okay.
Pero hindi ko alam kung magkano.
Okay.
But I remember as a
Like,
child,
did money mean anything to you?
No.
I think you were doing it because you were just enjoying it,
yes,
right?
I was enjoying it. At ang trip ko lang na reward from my mom ay Hello Kitty. Anything na Sanrio. Masaya na ako, Mars.
Gift,
Yes, Mars. Talagang ang gift gate sa akin ay para siyang Disneyland Mars.
Totoo naman.
So pag pumunta, kunwari may event, sabihin ng mommy ko, may work ka. Ito yung budget mo. Ganun din yung mommy ko. Very din siya dahil nga hindi naman kami lumaki o nagsimula na very well off. We really started as a very simple family. We were renting a home. My dad was working abroad. So talagang ramdam ko rin yung struggle namin financially. I also remember there was a time when I was a kid na nag-birthday ako, Mars. I think I was 4 years old na walang cake. Tas yung kandila ng pang brown out na dilaw.
Oh,
I
hindi
remember
puti.
that. Hindi
Dilaw?
Mars, parang
Malaki
dilaw.
yun, ah.
Oo, mataas.
Mataas,
Oh, yeah,
oo.
tsaka medyo makapal.
Makapal yun, ah.
It's either pang deads or pang altar.
Correct.
Basta hindi pang birthday for sure.
For sure.
I remember that. But, hindi ko siya para i-emote.
You never felt
Oo, hindi talaga, Mars. Simple lang talaga ang life namin. So siguro, ang view ko sa money, nung medyo nagkakaisip na ako, ay syempre, para mabili ko yung mga gusto kong gawin.
Yes, of
Di ba yun naman pagbata ka, Mars eh?
Mm-hmm.
Your goal, wala kang pamilya, sarili mo lang iniisip mo. Ang goal mo lang, mabili mo yung mga bagay na feeling mo, deserve mo kasi pinaghirapan mo. Or makapunta ka sa mga lugar na pangarap mong puntahan. Di ba?
Ako naman, having grown up from a rich family, ibang-iba naman yung... Nag-isip si Iya.
Wow.
Mayaman ba talaga?
I was gonna say, well, that's very humble of you.
Iba-iba yung dynamics, guys.
Oo,
Okay?
kaya kasi
Hindi pwedeng
hirap naman
pare-pareho
lahat kami
tayo ng
struggling
kwento.
nung nag-start. Hindi siya, para maiba lang. Mayaman kasi
asa
kami.
yamanin.
So, hindi asa yamanin.
Sa yamanin. Paano ba ang buhay ng isang yamanin, Mars?
Ganito Hindi lang lang. So, parang normal, middle class. My parents had a gasoline station business which was doing much
nga,
well.
Mars.
Oh my God,
Lalo na sa
station
panahon na to.
excuse me.
Yamanin yan,
At saka hindi pa
Mars.
deregulated dati. Konti lang ang mga gasolinahan noon.
Correct, totoo. At ilan lang ng mga pangalan yan,
Tatlo
Mars.
lang dati, the big
Oo,
three.
the big three, correct. At
okay.
loyal ka sa isa dyan.
Yes, of
Hindi ka
course.
pwedeng
Hindi ka
lilipat-lipat.
lilipat-lipat. Doon at
Yes.
doon ka. Hindi lang alam. Pero syempre, we were 4 kids. We were all going to school, etc. So it was also a struggle for my parents to make sure that we all went to school well, etc. Pero sabi nga ng sister ko na si Maggie, sabi niya, sina mami at daddy kasi pinalaki nila tayo na parang mayaman pero hindi tayo mayaman. Parang bawal ka na mag-commute. Although kayo din man medyo ganun eh. Ganun yung parents mo yata na parang bawal ang a lot of things. So hindi
Nung
kami
nung
nagko-commute.
nakaipon
May
na,
driver
yes,
kami.
yes.
May yung van
Wow
namin.
naman.
Kung ano-anong project ginagawa ng tatay namin para pag hinatiran kami ng food sa tanghali. May table na bubukas ganun. Tapos doon kami maglalan. Oo! Pero hindi naman kami mayaman. Kaya parang tawa-tawa yung kapatid ko. It was so funny the way she figured that out, Meg. Na she was saying na, para tayong pinalaki ng mayaman, pero hindi naman talaga tayo totoong mayaman. Pero pwede naman, can afford
Can
naman.
afford,
Parang can
oo.
afford naman. Pero yun, so my mom is very frugal in a lot of ways. My dad is the exact opposite.
Oh.
So yun ang talagang habang may pera, love you dad, RIP. Pero yung habang may pera, igagastos niya yan. Either ipapamigay niya, ipanglilibre niya. Siya yung classic na, ako na to. Ako bahala guys, libre ko kayo. Yung ganyan. So half of me is that.
Yes.
Half of me is my mom na nagtatry naman mag-ipon, mag-invest. Mom ko, maaga pa lang naniniwala na siya sa insurance. Even when it was at an
thing
uso
yet.
thing. It wasn't a thing. It had a negative connotation in the beginning na nagsasara yung mga insurance companies or lugi ka naman dyan kasi yung mga types of insurances din before dati napaka-limited. Yung parang yung habang buhay ka nagbabay, mga ganyan stuff. Pero yung nanay ko dati palang naniniwala na siya doon. Naka-fire insurance kami, naka-life insurance siya, naka-gengge.
Wow.
Samantalang yung tatay ko, kabaliktaran naman. Ubos ng pera yun.
Siguro kasi, makikita mo yung principles nila na magkaiba, no, Mars? Na parang si daddy, more of like, you only live once.
Yes, very YOLO.
Correct.
Very YOLO si
Tapos
daddy.
si mother naman, yung parang, ay, teka lang,
Paano
diba?
na bukas?
Correct.
Paano na bukas?
O paano tong mga bata, lumalaki
Yes.
sila, paano ang mga pangangailangan?
And I think it also depends on which generation you are. Like, are you the generation that had to start making the big moves? Are you the generation that really had a hard time? So, I'm sure they came from two different places where, your mom was a lot more careful and your dad was more like, hanggat meron, sige, like, enjoy it. I mean, what are we going to do if we save all of it anyway?
Right.
Diba?
So it's really marrying those two parang ideologies or concepts in terms of money. Yun yung parang feeling ko, I was happy to get the best of both worlds. Yung parang magiging galante kung magandang pagkakataon or may chance kang tumulong. That's what money is for. Kaya kami pera para matulungan mo rin yung ibang tao. Tapos at the same time, teka, paano na bukas, etc. etc. But that being said, madalas, lamang ako dun sa side ng tatay ko. Kaya enter frame
Ang
si
saya!
Paolo.
At dahil dyan, magpapalibre si Sus!
Kape, 7-Eleven to ha. 7-Eleven. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala, prima tayo.
Yes, prima americano. So
Oh
yun,
my
so now
gosh.
it's really marrying all those concepts of me growing up with those two different ideologies and also Paolo. Because that gets thrown in the mix
Oh,
when you
yun.
have a husband.
Yes.
When you have a partner. Eto na. Yes, so yun ang gusto
Eto
ko
na
malaman
nga.
sa inyo.
Okay.
When you first got married or before you got married, nagkaroon ba ng time na pinag-usapan nyo yung pera? Like, how are we gonna handle finances in the house, etc., etc.
And how, from the two, do you become one?
Yan.
Diba?
O Mars, mauna ka na.
Go.
Ayan, sa two pa rin kami.
Meaning magkahiwalay.
We have magkahiwalay, but we also have
A joint.
togetherness.
Okay.
I was really lucky with the combination of my mom and my husband. Yes. So, like, my mom was very careful, and then yun nga, when I was about to get married, she sat me down and said, okay, so anak. Kasi there were times she'd be like, okay, anak, i-invest ko yung pera mo dito sa ganito. And I'd be like, yeah, whatever. It's like, okay, yeah, mom, as long as basta may prepaid ako, okay ako. Tapos pinagtatawanan
panggas
pa ako
ka.
dati, na prepaid yung phone ko.
I know.
Pati yung nanay mo natawa din.
prepaid? Hindi.
Yun ang unang basher.
Ay, yung unang basher, of course.
Anak, parang awa mo na, mag-line ka
Yung
na.
mami ko sa akin, anak, siguro nga dapat nga mag-postpaid ka na kasi pinagtatawan ka ng mga kaibigan mo. Ako naman parang,
Napuputulan ka ba kasi, Mars?
Hindi, Mars. I
Hindi
could
naman.
call.
So
I
ngayon,
could text.
postpaid ka ba o prepaid?
Postpaid na ako. Umaasenso na tayo, guys. Okay.
Correct. That's how you know.
Yes.
Pag ang number mo nagsimula sa 5 or 8, alam mo na. Dati.
four.
Oo, after no first 4.
After no first
Oo,
four
kapag
numbers.
naman doon ka sa isang network, usually 9.
Ah.
Diba, Mars?
Pero okay na rin kung may mga limit tayo.
Tama.
Oo. Basta, proud ako dati na prepaid ako, no? Kung hindi nga lang dahil kay Luis Manzano.
Alaskado
hindi
ka to
ako
death.
mahihiya na prepaid ako.
Ano ba nilalaman na? Hindi naman nila nalalaman na.
Mars.
Yun nga yung sinasabi kasi
Oo,
malalaman mo.
yes.
Oh.
That's how you know from the
Oh.
beginning of the number.
Oo, I'm pretty sure it was like 300 pesos.
A week, a month.
I can't, that part I cannot remember.
Baka
but-
nag-only call and text ka pa na network, Mars,
In
ha?
fairness, okay na rin.
Okay yun,
Oo,
ha? Oo,
makikita.
kaso every 15 minutes lang napuputol siya.
Totoo ba?
Oo, Mars. Tapos tatawag ka lang ulit.
Oo, lalo na ngayon, I'm sure kung unli ka, oh my gosh, could you imagine?
Oo nga.
Unli din yung
ito,
gastos mo. Okay, so yun nga. So my mom, eventually when Drew and I got married, she sat me down and said, okay, so anak, this is where...
Did you have access to your own money before Drew?
Yes, I did.
So you could take whatever
Anything.
amount of money that you want,
Oo.
buy whatever you wanted.
But also, because the bill was coming to the same home that I was living in with my mom would also know. So syempre, when you know that someone else is watching and someone's aware, you also kind of get more conscious about like how you spend.
Napapagsabihan ka ba niya?
Well, she would just question or ask, like, oh, ano to? Or medyo malaki to. But my mom was also the one that would encourage me to spend. Na anak, ayaw mong bumili ng bag? hindi, ayokong bumili ng bag. Pero sige, kung gusto mo bumili ako ng bag, bibili ako ng bag.
Maligtad.
Oo.
Pero
Because for my mom,
pagdating ng bill, anak, bakit ang mahal naman ng bag na to?
nagkalito ko sila. Kasi may
Ayoko sana eh. Pero
ganyan
dahil
yung mom
sinadjust
ko.
mo.
Actually, now that I think of it, maybe there were just a very few times that she would probably question a purchase that I've made. But other than that, I guess because she knows that I'm not naman talaga that kind of spender.
And that maybe you need it for your job. Kasi
Yes.
yun yung part ng job din natin, yung
Yeah.
maayos yung itsura mo. May gamit ka namang maganda
At
pag
saka,
lumalabas ka.
Yun yung pwede mong gamitin din sa tax, di ba? For work.
That's right. It's related to your
so there's
work.
also that. But and then so I was really pleasantly surprised now, okay, that mom was able to do this with my money without me giving a care in the world. And I was so grateful that she did.
Meaning investing.
Yes.
What would she invest
She
in?
invested in property. She, oh my gosh, she got a loan and I have no idea how she even managed to pay that off with the money that I was making because I had no idea. When I think about it now, wow, mom. Kasi for those na first time na maglo-loan, medyo
Nervyos.
nakaka-nervyos siya talaga.
Oo.
Because it's like,
Especially dun sa type of job na meron kasi tayo.
Yes.
Dahil wala
Exactly.
na, hindi naman tayo empleyado, wala tayong security of tenure. So,
Tama.
if you
Exactly.
take out a loan for 10, 20 years, paano kung wala nang ganap by then?
exactly. You might be good for like maybe the next 3 months, but then lalo na kung serye, kasi 3 months, 3 months, or I mean, matagal na kung 2 years, but that's not the case anymore. So yeah, like I was surprised that, wow, mom, you had the courage to get this loan. Tapos ang galing pa ang ginawa ni mommy. She got a loan. She got a very affordable property. Because you don't have much, then you don't start too big. You can start with something small. So
Kumbaga mag-invest ka lang sa alam mong kaya mong bayaran.
yes, so she was able to purchase something small. And then she was able to use equity ba yung tawag doon? And put it in as a collateral. And then she got a loan. And then when she purchased another property, that had guaranteed rent. So the rent was already paying off the loan.
Yes.
Ang galing, diba?
Nice one, Tita
Correct.
Ellen. Fantastic.
Iba ka talaga.
Yung kawit-kawit siyang ganun,
Yes.
tapos this pays
Yes.
for this and that. And,
Yes, and she did it during a time where I didn't have a family, so I didn't have other things that I needed to pay for.
That's true.
And so by the time I was going to get married and settle down and have a family, mom was already able to set me up.
Invest. Yes.
May lupa ka na. Yan ba yung sa Nuvali ba yan? Di ba yung bumili kayo ni Drew?
Bukod pa yun. Nung
Bukod
kaming
pa.
dalawa ni Drew yun. When nung medyo pa serious na kami ni Drew
Sa
sa future
life.
namin.
Iba, so dun pa lang, sa umpisa pa lang, na, and it's all under your name.
Yes.
Oh, ang galing ng mom.
Well,
mo.
actually, my mom, because of course here in the Philippines, because I am an Australian, so it had to be under her name. But of course, pag in Australia, because the purchases that she made were in Australia, under
your
my
name.
name.
Ayun.
So dahil doon, namana mo ba yung mga skills niya? Or are there still times when you want to invest something that you ask her to do it for you?
That's where I was very blessed with Drew, because Drew naman, coming from,
Business yan. Si Drew, bata pa lang.
I wouldn't say a well-off family, but his family had money growing up.
Okay. Comfortable.
Oh, comfortable.
comfortable,
But
for sure.
Drew was also very independent. So he made it a point, which I think is the struggle nowadays. Because if you are in a place where you're fortunate enough to take your kids on trips and to have not naman a big home but live a comfortable lifestyle, and then you feel like your kids are growing up feeling entitled, parang it's so hard to
Tama
find that
din.
balance and to
Tama
teach them.
din.
But you can't blame them because that's the kind of life that they were born into.
Yeah.
But with Drew, although he was born into, a comfortable lifestyle, he also made it a point na bumukod siya nang maaga, and then he took up business pa. And so money really matters and talks to him. So maaga pa lang, he was making mistakes with business,
Yeah.
figuring things out early through business.
Galing.
And so was able to apply with Vamos. And
Or even before, parang
And
started
even
out
with
with
our finances.
Q-sticks.
Yeah, with
yung bilyar-bilyar. Yung as in
Q-sticks,
ganun, bata
exactly.
pa
May
lang si
mga
Drew.
investments na nagtatry na talaga ng nagtatry.
And he started also when he was not yet married, when he was still single, when he had money to spare and money to risk.
Yes.
Kasi syempre when you're a mom na, when you have a family na, medyo nakakatakot na.
Yung risk medyo dapat calculated na. Hindi na
Yes.
pwedeng sobra-sobra.
So he learned all these things when he was young, made the mistakes when he was young. And so it was really perfect now when we got married. So I am still learning. I'm also gaining more courage through him especially with these loans.
Yeah.
So
And
yeah.
investments,
So ngayon,
etc.
Mars, kapag meron kayong mga big decisions when it comes to your finances, do you talk about it? Paano
Absolutely,
nangyayari
Mars.
yun?
Absolutely, Mars. And before, if I would talk to my mom about it, my mom also gets scared pa rin na, anak, bayaran niyo na lang itong loan na to, tapos okay na kayo. Yung ganun, may ganun na si
Nininervyos
mami.
na rin siya
Oo,
just in
she
case.
She gets nervous. But, it's really Drew and I that really know, what finances are like. And Drew and I sit down and we talk about Nanda Love. Do you think it's time for this? Or do we like kind of chill a bit? Or, what are the things that we are looking to pay for in the coming weeks or in the coming months? Or mukhang okay tayo. So yeah, it's nice to be able to make these big decisions with your husband.
And maganda din doon, Mars, kasi yung dynamics nyo ni Drew, pareho kayo ng goal, ng gustong mangyari. Pareho kayong maingat sa pera. Alam mo yun, pareho kayo na parang mindful when it comes to spending. Kasi yung iba, Mars, ang struggle nila, kapag hindi talaga pareho yung the way they see money. Like, one can be like shopaholic while the other is like super naman practical. Then
Yeah.
doon magkakaroon ng conflict. I think you were sharing with your parents na si daddy ganito, si mommy. So, it's hard when you don't see eye to eye at medyo
Yes,
mahirap
yes.
sa planning eh. So, I think
Totoo
yun
yan.
yung importante before you get into like a serious relationship.
Yeah. It's something to
Kailangan siyang
consider.
pag-usapan.
Yeah.
Kayo ba, paano nyo napag-usapan ni VJ ang tungkol sa money?
Kami naman siguro ate, dahil kami ni VJ, pareho kasi kami when we came together, nagtatrabaho siya, tas nagtatrabaho ako. So ang meron kaming dalawa na in common is that we both work hard for our money. Hindi kami nakadepende sa iba.
Okay.
So, ngayon, coming together, syempre may mga plano, may mga pangarap,
Yep.
but our goal was, from the get-go, yung pera namin iisa. May mga allowances kami. Syempre may separate bank accounts. But we have our own allowances for my spending, for his spending, and then all our accounts are in just one, joint. And every decision that we have to do financially, we have to talk about it. Pero para sa akin, ang pinakamalaking natutunan ko, or I would say talaga, Mars, na nag-shift yung the way I handle money because of VJ. Kasi dati when I was single, gastador talaga, Mars.
Totoo ba, be?
Oo, ate.
Naalala ko naman na medyo kalma ka naman.
Ate, parang ano pa yun eh. Yun medyo nakaisip-isip na kasi nandiyan na si Nathan sa buhay
Nag-mature na
ko.
siya.
eh.
Kasi
Diba?
sa nanay na siya.
Nung nandiyan na si Nathan, medyo syempre
Namita
parang...
kita, nanay ka na.
Oo,
Okay.
so medyo may konting pag-iingat na konti. Pero Mars, I would remember, every month, mahilig akong mamili ng damit. Ang hilig kong mag-shopping. Tapos, pag nabili ko na, pag uwi ko, parang feeling ko wala akong nabili. Yung hindi ko alam kung, hindi ko sila nagamit. Gusto ko kung ano yung nasa uso.
Oo, syempre.
Diba? Syempre
Saka
bilang...
bagets ka nun eh. Artista
Correct,
ka pa.
oo.
Naman.
And then so naramdaman ko din talaga, Mars, yung parang
And
halos
of course, you're
laging wala.
surrounded also by people
Yes.
who probably love to also dress up, love to buy things as well.
Tapos meron akong toxic na ugali na hate ko, Mars, na bibili ako ng isang damit, tapos gagamitin ko siya pag kailangan. But that moment never comes. Like, I
Hanggang sa
never
inamag
use
na
it.
siya.
Oh, tapos kunwari,
Mars,
di ba,
may ganyan
nabili
din
mo
ako.
na. Nabili mo
Okay.
na, Mars.
Oh,
Ay,
guilty!
gagamitin ko to kapag may
Guilty!
kasal. Perfect to kapag
Oo,
may
kailangan
event.
ko to kapag may event.
Yan,
Or,
oo.
yes.
Bibilin mo ngayon, Mars.
Kapag may dance prod ako
Correct.
ng ganito.
Pagkabili mo, okay, naitago mo na sa closet mo. May event ngayon. Okay, may event. Bibili ka ngayon ng damit kasi wala kang masuot para sa event na yun.
Tapos nakalimutan
Kasi
mo na yung
nakalimutan
nabili
mo na na meron ka ng...
pala. Yes, to begin with.
Yan ang mga toxic things that I used to do with my money. And then Mars, yun, kahit hindi ko afford, bibiling ko. Ipangungutang ko yan, Mars.
Totoo, like what?
Okay.
Talaga ba, Mars?
Mamahaling bag. Kasi uso eh.
Oo.
Yung peer pressure, guys, deadly yan. Siguro yung isang bagay na sobrang grateful ako, dumating ako dun sa point na na-realize ko yun. Kasi ang hirap kung andun pa rin ako.
Yes, Mars.
Hanggang ngayon,
Makakaalpas
Mars.
ka rin naman at some point,
Oo,
I
pero
think.
hindi. I know some people who
Oo,
don't.
hanggang ngayon.
Oo,
Yeah,
Mars. Na
Because
parang,
you know why? Because it's really a joy for them.
yes.
Yeah.
And
Na fleeting din, Mars, ha? Wala pa rin contentment.
which is why, Mars, I just want to correct what you were saying a while ago that Drew and I were mindful about our spending. Actually, we're not. We're not very mindful. It just so happens that those big spends aren't our thing.
Buti na lang.
It's just not our thing.
Yun.
Once upon a time, yun nga, because my mom would be like, Anak, do you want to buy a bag? Because yeah, all your friends like have bags. And I tried that, but Mars, sa totoo lang, hindi ko pala siya happiness.
Yun. Ako for a
Hindi ko pala
time,
happy
Mars,
Happiness sila,
akala
nanlilibre
ko.
sila. Kaya bet namin kasama yung mga Arellano eh. Kasi lalabas kami na Drew mag-iinom. Ang ending, si Drew nang bayad, yes!
Yun na yun.
Yun yung joy nila. Na parang,
Yes.
nagsama-sama tayo,
Ang daming
nag-enjoy tayo.
nakinabang,
I got
diba?
you guys.
Oo.
Oo, yung mga ganun lang. Ganun yung type nila.
Okay,
Ako,
maybe.
ganun ako, Mars. Kunwari, may isang bag, di ba? O bag, bibiling ko yan. Alam ko, ang pera ko, hindi aabot, Mars.
Kanino
Pero
ka umutang?
hulugan eh. Hindi hulugan.
Ay, kuya?
Hulugan nga pala.
Hindi ko naman literal, Mars, na utang ako sa'yo. Tapos hindi naman, Mars.
Hulugan.
Siguro isang bagay na never akong natutong mangutang, Mars.
Okay,
Hiyang-hiya akong mangutang. Kasi parang kumikita naman ako eh. So, ibig sabihin, may pangbayad ako. Ang kailangan ko na lang, siguro,
Sa
di ba,
ibang tao,
common sense
utang
na
sa
lang
ibang
ba?
tao. Or,
Oo, umuutang
kasi
sa ibang tao.
Iba yung learn sa bank.
Ay, oo,
at
iba
yung
naman
utang
yan.
sa ibang
Pero
tao.
yung umuutang
Okay.
sa ibang tao para sa luho, hindi ko yan nakasanayan. Kasi parang, siguro kahit pa paano, may sense naman yung
Yes.
ko.
Alam mo
na
naman, mali na yun, Mars.
Oo,
Ito
hindi
naman
na
kasi
tama.
yung mga ganyan na options na layaway. Di ba yun yung tawag dyan?
Yes.
Yung
Ano, Mars, ang lakas makaano eh.
True. Unti-unti. Para kung nga hindi mo maramdaman yung
Yes.
50,000 na ipambibili mo nung bag. At least, ipa 5,000 lang siya. And
Yeah.
at the end of those 10 months, meron ka na nung bag. And
Yes.
I think a lot of people do that. And it's a great way of investing in something that you've always wanted.
Yes.
Exactly.
Lalo na pag
Something
kunwari,
like a reward for yourself.
totoo, lalo
And,
na
and
pag
there are some people, Mars, na napapaikot kasi nila yun. Kunwari,
Oo
bumili
din.
sila ng bag, di ba? Or kunwari, mamahaling bagay. At some point, they sell that to acquire a new one. Hindi ko naging skill yun, Mars.
ako
Si
din.
hoarder lang kasi ako
Yes,
eh. Bili. So I realized, it's not a smart thing for me to do. So when VJ came into my life, siya naman si sobrang lahat bago bibilhin. Talagang pag-iisipan.
doble, triple yung pag-iisip.
Sobra, Mars.
Yes.
Merong isang specific store that he loves to go to buy clothes there. Kasi lahat plain. Ganon ang style niya. Plain para pwedeng ulit-ulitin. Yung may mga ganon siyang strategy, Mars.
That's my Pars.
Yes. Tapos,
Mga shirt ata na yun. Ako, bit-bit
siguro,
ko, Mars.
pupunta kami doon kasi alam niya na kailangan niya ng bumili ng damit. Lalagay niya yan sa basket niya. Mars, katapos-tapusan, aalis kami sa store na yun nang walang binili.
Ni isa.
Ni
Talaga
isa.
ba?
Kasi pag nakita niya na kung magkano yung na total, hindi ko pala kailangan. Sa babalik na naman kami on a different day. Nasanay na nga ako eh. On the third or probably fourth that we go to that shop, yun may check out na siya kasi kailangan na talaga, Mars. Pero,
At napag-isipan niya ng 3 times,
Yes.
4 times.
pero yun yung natutunan ko na parang yung asawa ko, hindi pa uso yung capsule wardrobe, ganun na siya.
diba?
Tapos yung ano niya, tapos mahilig siya na kapag niya na kailangan tatanggalin niya. So yung closet niya, ang ganda kasi ang luwag. Para siyang,
Pwede ba ako
para siyang
maki-closet sa
store.
Para
kanya?
siyang
Pwede ba
closet ni
makiano
David
sa-
Beckham. Yung parang konti
May
lang.
mga- may
tapos
mga
may
pat
spaces
lang.
yung,
Oo,
yung may
Mars.
spaces yung hanger.
Tapos
Hanep.
parang sukat yung spaces.
Hanep.
Oo,
Oo,
tapos sabi
gets.
ng mga anak ko, Mommy, look at your closet. It's so sikip. Why don't you put your other clothes in Daddy's space? Sabi ko, shh, huwag mong sabihin yan. Siyempre,
Hindi ako makakabili ng
naman,
bago.
oo, maano naman si VJ na, oh, love. And he would remind me, oh, mag-declutter ka na. I'm sure may mga hindi ka na ginagamit dyan. Tanggalin mo na so you can make space. Ganon, Mars!
Mars. Hindi, sige. Tsaka ako na ichichika kapag nasa guilty pleasures na tayo.
Sige,
Tsaka ka na
sige.
ichichika.
Oo.
Sige,
So
sige.
yun, parang para sa akin, Mars, ang laking factor din kasi na sana yung mapapangasawa mo o yung mapipili mong magiging partner mo, alam mong iingatan din yung mga pinaghirapan mo.
Yes.
'Di ba? Kasi ang daming horror stories ng mga ganyan, Mars. OFWs na lang, Mars. Ang tagal na sa ibang bansa.
Padala ng padala ng
Pinaghirapan.
pera dito.
Akala nakapundar ng mga bahay, ng mga ganito. Pag uwi, nilulustay pala ng pamilya. And you know, there are so many stories and it's heartbreaking. Kasi imagine mo, Mars, being away for so long and hopefully, with all hopes na pag uwi mo, marangya, o at least man lang komportable ang buhay mo na pinaghirapan mo only for you to find out na nauwi rin pala sa wala. Ikaw, ate?
Ako naman parang mostly sa the dark side ako lagi nagre-refer. Ibig sabihin yung parang naisip ko, if there was one thing I remember during the pandemic, remember the pandemic? Yung parang minsan may times na nakalimutan na natin that we actually went through that. And parang it feels like we're going through that again with the oil prices, etc. because of this war that we didn't start. Nung time na yun, naisip ko, shock, sana yung mga tao natuto na silang mag-ipon.
Yes.
Kasi nung time na yun, lahat walang trabaho.
Tama.
Oo, kasi dati, nagkaroon ng time na, kunwari, walang kang trabaho, pero yung pinsan mo may trabaho, nanay mo may trabaho, di kang umutang. Nung time na yun, halos lahat walang trabaho. So sabi ko, shock sana, bukod sa paghuhugas ng kamay after mag-CR, na hindi pa rin ginagawa ng mga tao, I'm sorry, Pwede ba gumawa tayong episode ng pet peeve?
Pwede.
sige.
I love
OMG,
that.
Sabi ko, I can't believe na galing tayo sa pandemic. Hindi nagugas ng kamay at hindi rin nag-iipon. And then, pero on the other side, kailangan layo no? Pero pandemic is on the dark side.
Yeah, that's true.
Hindi natutunan.
And actually, Mars, yan ang pinakamalaki kong bit-bet hanggang ngayon. Yung buhay ko nung pandemic.
Diba no?
First for me, at least for me. But for some, you'll also see na parang nakalimutan na nga nila. no?
Nakalimutan na, nakakatakot. Parang, guys, tas ito, umulit tayo sa situation na to. Wala tayong natutunan from before. So parang niisip ko lagi, sana mag-ipon tayo kasi isipin natin na katulad ngayon, pwede kang bumalik sa situation na hirap ka ulit sa
Yep.
buhay. Wala kang trabaho. Or ito, may trabaho ka pero hindi ka makapasok. Yung mga ganyan stuff. Pangalawa, kasi sabi ko sa dark side ako nag-refer. After my father died, so we had to clear out his apartment. Me and my 3 siblings and 2 other guys who helped us with a van. And it was a 1-bedroom small condo unit. And he had so much stuff packed into that small space. And prior to him passing on, marami na akong mga pinatanggal dyan na, Daddy, clear na natin yung
Yeah.
space mo kasi nagka-caregiver na siya, etc. etc. When we had to get rid of all of his stuff, it took us 2 days, 6 people doing that in a small place. Parang naisip ko siya lagi, pag marami akong gamit, marami rin po problemahin yung mga anak ko at asawa ko to get rid of after. That they'll never know, do I keep this? Do I sell this? Pwede ko ba itong itapon? Or did this mean something to her? That's why she kept it. So ako, I'm always in a constant state of decluttering. If ever you ask me, I'm always doing something to get rid of something.
That's why you always have garage sales.
May garage sale, ibebenta ko sa unang hirit yung ibang gamit, ipapabenta ko kay Leona sa
Nalungkot
carousel
nga ako,
yung
Mars,
iba.
sa yung Mars Bazaar
Uy,
natin.
Oo, ang saya nun kasi
Ang saya
nakabenta
nun,
ng stuff
Mars.
nun.
Talagang
it's
ubos.
Totoo. So parang naisip ko lagi, hirap na hirap ka na magbenta. Kasi mahirap eh. Mahirap eh. Bebenta mo ba siya? Ipapamigay mo ba siya?
Exactly.
Ako may ganun akong dilema kasi, Mars.
Diba?
Nahihiya akong magbenta. So, kunwari pa, Camille, magkano to? Sige, sa'yo
Sa'yo
na
na
lang.
lang.
Lugi, Mars.
Oo.
Yes.
Ang iniisip ko na lang sa ganyan is, pag binigyan kita, tapos kunwari grupo kayo, baka naman mainggit yung iba kasi hindi ko mabibigyan lahat.
So, might
So,
as
ang
well.
sasabihin ko na lang, ibebenta ko siya para walang favor din. Yun na lang yung mindset mo.
Yes.
So parang yun yung naisip ko in terms of making gastos for small things, yung makakasikip. Kasi naisip ko lagi, kung hindi ko naman siya ma-declutter well, parang naisip ko at the end of the day, hindi ako yung mahihirapan, but my family will have a hard time doing that.
That's a very good
It's strange,
perspective,
diba?
no?
It's a strange perspective, but
But it's
But
true.
how did you do that with young children?
how to get them to declutter?
Like, how do you make these decisions with, with clutter? Because my problem is being in this life stage.
Oo naman.
Where I
Maliit
just feel
sila
like
eh.
clutter is just constant.
Nagdodonate
With
yung kids
children?
pag Christmas. May concept na sila nung pagtutulong sa iba, yung mga gamit na napagsawaan nila, na kailangan nila ng more space. So sila din, at saka emotional moment yan for kids,
Yeah,
ha?
yeah.
It's hard for them to let go of certain things. They are so cute. These toys, these stuffed
Yeah.
toys are so cute.
But it teaches them
Yan.
kasi na hindi, yung
Don't hold on to
yes,
something.
na mahalaga pala yun na matutunan early on. Para pagtanda nila, matuto talaga silang mag-let go ng mga bagay kasi hindi talaga sila panghabang buhay.
How do you teach them to not let go of things that are just broken and to like actually take care of their things and to give, sabi mo, parang nahihiya ka na may ibenta, so parang ipapamigay mo na lang. I have kids kasi na parang, Mom, this is broken anyway, so we can give that away. But for me, it's like, huwag ganyan.
Hindi yan yung buhay.
Hindi yan yung ugali na gusto ko.
Explain mo na. Hindi ba like,
Kung
yun
ano,
naman
more simple lang.
mapapakinabangan?
Pagka broken na, tapon na yan. Kapag mapapakinabangan pa at tingin mo na may value pa, ipamimigay natin yan. So may sorting box dyan. What do you want to keep? What do you want to give away? And what you
can
want to
we
throw?
throw?
But
What can
yun
we
din,
throw?
si VJ constantly reminds me, love, mag-declutter na kayo. So recently, I did that with the kids kasi ang
we gotta do that.
Mars, nag-a-acquire naman talaga tayo whether we like it or
sobra.
not.
Oo,
Somebody
sobra.
gives
May
you,
magpapadala.
pamilya mo, lolo't lola, is spoil. So meron at merong dadating.
Magsha-shopping
So
ka.
kailangan yung pag-let go ng things, maging intentional siya. Otherwise, magpa-pile up talaga.
Totoo. And it really feels
And
good.
you have kuyas na, like Primo can be able to sort until Alana, kaya na nilang mag-sort, Mars.
Yeah.
Tapos gawin nyo siyang parang routine sa inyo na something they can look forward to kahit na masama sa loob nila.
Yes.
Pero parang gawin nyo siyang parang tradition.
And it really needs to be something that because it's always been an idea for us. But hanggang sa lumipas na yung Pasko, parang hindi namin nagawa.
O, dami kasing ginagawa.
So parang, you really gotta like
Yeah.
find the time.
Right.
Actually, Mars, yung
Don't just
pinaka-bongga
squeeze it
dyan,
in.
just do it.
Oo.
Kasi yung pag pinlano mo,
Sa bagay.
parang
Totoo.
you dread it. Kasi
Yeah.
parang iniisip mo na, ay naku, kapagod.
But
Hindi
Mars,
mo siya magagawa.
Do you really have those days, di ba? You will have a day where it's like, I'm not in the mood to deal with
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
Yes.
And then there's one morning where you're just like, come on, let's get it
Oo,
done.
yung
Minsan-
gumising ka sa
Oo,
tamang...
Yes. Sa tamang
Oo.
sign of it. Tama. So anyway yun, so parang kumbaga in terms of money, kanya-kanya tayo ng style, kanya-kanya tayo ng influences. So even our husbands have come from different influences as well. Si Paolo, yung family nila, they don't talk about money. Yung parang,
Really?
As in, ako lang yung parang, so guys, magkano to? parang sobrang
Parang nagkakahiyaan.
Medyo parang nakakahiya for them to talk
Wow.
about money. So that's also like a different sort. It's only late. Parang kumbaga, mga 5 years ago ko lang nalaman sweldo ni Paolo. Yung mga ganyan. Hindi kami nag-uusap about those kinds of details. Basta sa amin yung ano namin sa house is, everything that we earn, we have a half fund. Meron kaming sariling mga account namin.
Yeah.
Tapos meron kaming half fund. So half of everything we earn goes to that half fund.
How do you know that half really goes there?
Totoo. They'll never know. He'll never know.
That's where you just have to have
Tiwala
faith
na
and
lang
trust in your
talaga.
husband. Tiwala
Hindi,
na
totoo
lang.
kasi.
Tiwala na lang.
Honestly, system na lang
Hindi
to,
ako every
guys.
month nagre-remit ha. So minsan pagkakita ko, oh my gosh, 6 months na ako hindi nagbabayad sa half fund. Tapos i-compute ko lahat ng mga naging racket ko, lahat naman naging sweldo ko kasi naka-online naman lahat yan. Kaya pala ang dami kong pera sa account. Hindi naman pala akin yun. So that half fund pays for the tuition,
Yeah.
that pays for if we're gonna buy a new car or a new property, etc. So the big purchases are there. Bukod pa dyan, Paolo gives me household money every month. So that's where I get mga pambayad ng this. Tapos bukod pa dyan, meron din kami mga sarili-sariling binabayaran on our own. So that's how we have set up our household because we are not employees. So yan yung way namin na nakaka-force ipon kami. Unless you pay for your own SS, wala kang pension, wala kang nothing, wala kang end game, wala kang ganon. Unless bata pa lang, nag-i-insurance ka na para may endowment ka in the future, etc. So those are the things that we invest in that we get from the half fund. That's what we figured nung first part pa lang ng marriage namin. Nung una kasi, hindi siya masyadong clear.
Yeah.
So parang, sige, I'm paying for these bills, you're paying for that bill. Paano tong bill? Tapos parang there was a time na nagkatampuhan kami very early on in our marriage. About parang, ako ba din ba to? Or
Yeah,
ganyan.
because it's really something you gotta sit down and get
Kailangan
real
pala
with
talaga
each
medyo
other about.
itemize siya kung gusto ninyong hindi
At
kayo
saka kailangan wag
magkatampuhan.
magkasamaan ng loob.
Yes.
Tandaan mo, kumbaga, we're doing this together.
Yes,
Not to,
yes.
not to
Here.
count
Yes.
or to sumbat.
Yes. So kaya important yung pinag-uusapan niyo yung pera. Even though it does sound crass to begin with, di ba? Pero yan yung magiging punot dulo ng maraming away ng mag-asawa.
And also, I think, ate, depende kasi sa kung paano yung pinag-uusapan yung pera.
oo din.
Di ba meron kasing kune-question mo lang or tinatanong mo lang that can feel like an attack.
Yeah.
Pero meron din naman na yung upuan natin to at magplano tayo.
Yes.
Di ba?
Ano to, office talaga to, business
Yeah,
hats on
oo,
tayo. Paano ba
correct.
natin aasikasuhin
Parang
to, sino
kumpanya
magbabayad?
ito,
Yan,
di ba?
ganyan.
Kasi may minamanage tayong
Tama.
household eh.
That's true.
And I think
Yeah.
it's also important that as husband and wife, you guys can also learn to be flexible. You know, there might be a time where the husband might be making good amounts, so can also contribute more. There might be a time where the wife is the one that
Yan,
is
oo.
so the wife can be able to contribute
That's
more.
true,
So I think
Mars.
it's really important that you're open. And like just know when someone's gonna be able to give more here, someone's gonna be able to It's
Maganda rin na binanggit mo yan, dynamics na yan. Kasi nga,
Iba-iba
syempre,
na ngayon.
yung mga babae ngayon, nagtatrabaho na,
Yes.
nagtatrabahong maigi. And there will be times that the woman will earn more than the man.
Yeah.
So, paano nyo ngayon mamamanage yung egos in the household, yung traditions, yung stuff like that. So, that's a very personal and slightly challenging
That's
matter.
true.
Yeah.
Pero parang for me, if there's any practical tip or advice, no, ano lang talaga wag lang maging makasarili. You know, because sometimes in a marriage, especially if both of you are making money, you feel like because you put in more, you also deserve more when it
Yeah.
comes to spending. So dun lang medyo
or
nagiging...
you feel like you deserve more in other areas. Like you deserve to be served.
Yun.
You deserve to be, you know,
Right, right.
pampered.
Yes. Or, teka, mas malaki akong kumita, ikaw na yun. Siguro yung kwentahan. Wag maging makwenta in all aspects. Kasi yun yung
At mabilang.
danger sa Mars na hindi siya pinag-uusapan, but it can actually creep into any relationship or into any partnership kapag hindi ka aware na may ganun ka pala.
Another thing is, hindi lang naman money ang may value pagdating sa pag-ambag nyo sa pamilya. So service is also one of them. So kunwari, kung hindi ka kasing busy nung asawa mo at madalas nasa bahay ka, marami kang pwedeng gawin sa, whether ikaw yung babae or ikaw yung lalaki.
Lalaki.
Ikaw yung may opportunity ngayon na payabungin yung inyong pamilya sa bahay.
You can give in other
Pagandahin,
ways.
paging more comfortable, pagluto sila, etc. At tanggapin mo siya as a way of in-kind.
It's your
Meron
contribution.
tayong in-cash, meron din tayong
Yes.
in-kind. At
Hindi
may
pwedeng
halaga din
lahat
yun.
in-cash.
Yeah. At malaki din ang halaga.
Of
No? That's
course.
effort. That's time.
I like that. You know, kasi Mars, yung taong nagtatrabaho sa labas para kumita ng pera, hindi niya magagawa yun kung wala yung taong nasa bahay
Na
na
nagsusupport
gumaganap
sa bahay.
ng lahat ng bagay para magluto, maglinis, at mag-alaga at magpalaki ng pamilya.
Mag-asikaso ng mga schedule ng mga anak.
Hindi niya,
A lot
you
of
cannot
that.
do it on your own kahit na gaano ka pa kalaking kumita.
Yeah.
Totoo yan. So, it's a mix of both, di ba? In kind, in cash, but most
In
important,
love.
in love. But most importantly, it's a lot of, ito yung opportunity din natin, internet age, etc. na pwede na kayo mag-research kung ano yung mga iba't ibang ways para palakihin ninyo yung pera ninyo. Kasi we keep saying, save, save, save. Eh, alam nyo naman na ang interest sa bangko, mas malaking inflation rate. Kumbaga, yung pagtaas ng presyo ng mga bilihin kaysa dun sa tinataas ng interest ng
Tama.
savings account ninyo.
Tama.
So, pwede nyo rin, kausapin nyo yung bankero nyo, people at the bank,
Yes.
di ba? Na,
Meron doon, iiwan mo yung pera mo for like say 6 months.
Oo.
Pagkuha mo, tumubo na siya ng ganitong
Yeah.
medyo
amount
mas
of
malaki.
money.
Oo, so
Yeah.
parang
Diba?
educate yourselves kasi
Yes.
may opportunity na tayo na malaman kung saan natin pwede ilagay yung investments natin para mas lalo siyang lumaki.
I also highly recommend that while you're still young and without a family to support, I really feel that it's the best time to, already start investing, even if it's small.
Yes,
Because the moment you have a family, the moment you have children and a husband, you're paying for all that. You're paying for a home, you're paying for rent. So while you're still living probably in your parents' house and your food is still for free.
Yes! Rent,
You know,
walang
the
rent,
advantage.
walang
Utilities.
Tama.
Yes.
Oo,
Use
Wag
this
lustayin
time.
ng pera.
Use this time now not to save for these wants. Yeah, you can put some money aside for a trip perhaps, or for that bag that you want, but now's the time to invest because you
Sound
are going to be
advice.
grateful by the time you settle down and get married. Because I
true.
remember getting married. I remember I was hesitant. I was fearful.
Kaya ba?
Tapos at the time, I was the one making more money between Drew and I. And then, of course, Mars. If you're a female getting married, alam mo na, you're not going to have the same opportunities.
Yes.
So I was quite scared about that. But yeah, gratefully, my mom was very careful with my money. And so I was like, and then Drew had to get real with me. Ano bang pangarap mo? Gusto mo ba ng mansyon? Ano ba yung gusto mo mangyari? Sabi ko, oo nga no.
Gusto ko nga naman
I
siya.
think we're gonna...
Oo nga, no?
Patayo naman
Yes.
sa tanay.
Okay naman, maganda naman. Oo.
Na-manifest naman yan,
What am I
Mars.
so scared about when I know that like mom had already set me up and like mom was able to invest me. That was my mom. But I don't know if, I can't guarantee that all our moms are going to be the
That's
same,
true.
right?
Totoo,
So
totoo.
if you don't have a mom that's doing that for you, then maybe you're going to have to be that generation that's going to make that brave step for yourself and for your future.
Yes.
So, educate yourself. Kaya
That's
natin yan.
true.
Lahat
And ako
naman
siguro
tayo
just a little thing to add before we wrap this up, no? We live in a time and season na talagang you only live once. The pressure is so high because of the things that we see on social media. But you know what? We have to be smarter than that. Nakita na natin yan. Alam na natin yan. Ang dami na nating kwentong narinig. For me, important to be liquid. Okay lang yun na gumastos ka to do things for yourself, pero always save for the rainy day. I really always believe in that. Pag may nangyari, may pangangailangan ka, may makuhugot ka. Kasi araw-araw, marami ka talagang pwedeng pagkagastusan at hindi mauubos yan. So it's really up to you to be intentional and to be practical and saving, especially when the time comes na may kailangan ka, may huhugutin ka.
Yeah.
Well said.
Honey.
Oh, I loved our episode.
Kala mo naman ang
Kala
mature
mo
natin,
Oo
Mars.
naman. Uy, marami naman tayo natutunan through the years, ha? Kaya, ayun, hope you guys enjoyed our episode about money. And of course, we really appreciate the comments that we've been getting from our first and second episodes. We really appreciate all of that. Tsaka yung mga suggestions niyo. Siyempre, tinitake note natin yan at pwede natin maging topic next time dito.
Yes! Thank you so much, guys, for joining us.
Yes, there's more to look forward to here on
Kami ang inyong mga